I'm Dr. Peter Novak. I'm a member of the Salt Lake Orthopedic Clinic, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I like to operate on hips, knees, and shoulders, and also take care of patients who don't necessarily need surgery on their hips, knees, and shoulders. I've spent a good part of my life in Utah, high school, college, and I went to medical school at the University of Utah. I then went to Chicago for residency and internship, and that took about 6 or 7 years living in the Windy City. I then came back to Salt Lake City in 1996, and I've been practicing orthopedic surgery here for the last 25 years. I went into orthopedic surgery because I find that it's a specialty where I can really make a difference in people's lives. I can help people who've had a fracture or an injury, and whether it's with surgery or without surgery, I find that I can really make a difference and get them back to the function that they enjoyed before their injury. I specialize in hips, knees, and shoulders. I do joint replacements on knees and hips and arthroscopy on knees and shoulders. I think patients should choose me because I take a look at the whole patient. Some people need to have surgery, some people don't need to have surgery, but I educate them, I give them the options, and then I let them make the decision as to what they really want to do for themselves. When patients present with an orthopedic problem at the Salt Lake Orthopedic Clinic, we can take care of things from start to finish. We can provide x-rays, and after the x-ray I can evaluate the patient and the x-ray together and come up with a diagnosis. After that, the patient is educated on what options they have. I can frequently offer injections or physical therapy or non-surgical options. Sometimes the best treatment for a condition is surgery, and in that case I can offer different types of surgery for the patient for a particular problem. After surgery, the patient is seen on a number of occasions. Sometimes we prescribe physical therapy, sometimes the patient can do physical therapy on their own. But usually within 6 to 8 weeks, we can take care of a problem and get the patient back to functioning normally. The Salt Lake Orthopedic Clinic offers excellent orthopedic care. If you have an orthopedic problem, an injury, a fracture, or anything else that we can help you with, I strongly encourage you to make an appointment with us and come experience our excellent orthopedic care.